Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the UV index tile. In the next window, you'll see a preview on the left where you can see changes to your feed. Click in the left corner of the preview to toggle between the content views. Available content views are UV Forecast and UV Current. To the right of the preview, set a custom name for the feed. Enter a location. Location is defined by postal code, city and state, or latitude and longitude. Click the Customize this feed button to make further customizations. Choose a theme. Available themes are Blue Hue and Clean and Clear. Set the duration. Current duration is 10 seconds. Set the delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, Media RSS, Direct URL, and JSON data. Click the Create Feed button to create your feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.